Alright folks, garage is a mess. Got the generator dug out and it has begun. It has begun. So I'm gonna keep an eye on this and hopefully everything's okay, but the last time something like this happened, it brought down a lot of trees. It brought down pretty much every tree about halfway up it. So an example of that would be up here on the hill. That tree fell and came right down on the corner of the house. Just missed it and landed on here. It ripped our lines down, ripped the breaker box out of the side of the house. But yeah, that's why most of these trees are missing half the tree. So be prepared, West Virginia. Be prepared, anybody in the central US that falls in the band of this storm, because I think it's gonna be bad. It's been snowing about 5 minutes and the road already has snow on it. And it's gonna do this for the next 2 days. So prepare, because it's coming. So while it's snowing, I tried to test the generator. Actually, I tested it this morning and realized it doesn't run right. Does that look right to you? Does that look right to you? So this thing is set with stagnant gas in it for 3, almost 4 years, something like that. And yeah, so I'm gonna clean this thing up while it's still snowing out there, because boy, it's coming down. Roads are already wet. Not wet, they're the opposite of wet. Look at that. It's gonna be bad, y'all. It's gonna be bad. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you clear a driveway without a snowblower. Shoveling takes a long time. I did this in 15-20 minutes. If I had a snowblower, it probably would take longer, but at the same time, it would be a little more convenient. This kind of blows it everywhere back on you. I guess snowblowers do too, but yeah. Got that in here. Got the cars dusted off. Snowblower can't do that. So stay tuned. We'll keep you updated on this. Snow's still coming down though. Still coming down.